Introducing Volumetric Video Editor by Lifecast. Start with a VR 180 video captured in any environment. Select a project directory. Choose Import VR 180 Render LDI3 to render our volumetric video. Once rendered, you can view the image or depth map of each layer in the scene in 2D, or you can view the scene in 3D and control the camera by dragging the right mouse or using the W, A, S, and D keys. From the File menu, choose Encode Compressed LDI3 Video. This will automatically generate optimized videos for desktop, mobile, and VR. The video files are saved in the project directory. From the WebXR menu, choose Generate WebXR Files in Project Directory. This creates a template for a web page that displays our volumetric video. The files are in the project directory. From the WebXR menu, choose Run Local Web Server. This runs a web server that will allow us to test our volumetric video in a browser locally. Now we have a volumetric video running in a web browser. This page can be used on the web just like any other normal HTML and JavaScript. Next, let's view our volumetric video in VR using the Meta Quest Pro by visiting the page in a VR browser. We can move around in the VR video with 6 degrees of freedom. The same volumetric video file also plays in Lifecast's open source player for Unreal and Unity. For more information, visit lifecastvr.com. Thank you.